Lena loved baking, but today felt extra special. Her little brother Max had just lost his first tooth. She wanted to make him a great treat to celebrate. But when she checked the pantry, she only found peanut butter, sugar, and one egg. This will have to do, she thought, determined to make something delicious. She preheated the oven to 350 degrees and lined a baking sheet with parchment paper. As she mixed the peanut butter, sugar, and egg in a bowl, Max walked in, rubbing his sore gums. "What are you doing?" he mumbled. "Peanut butter cookies," Lena said, rolling the dough into small balls. "Want to help?" Max's face lit up. "Yeah!" She showed him how to press the back of a fork onto each dough ball, making a crisscross pattern. "Like a little waffle," Max laughed. They placed the baking sheet in the oven and set the timer for 10 minutes. While they waited, Max set the table, carefully placing 2 glasses of milk. The warm smell of peanut butter filled the kitchen, making their stomachs growl. When the cookies were ready, Lena let them cool for a couple of minutes before handing one to Max. He took a bite, his eyes widening. "These are amazing," he said with a big, toothless grin. Lena smiled. "Simple but perfect, just like celebrating your first lost tooth." And just like that, 3 ingredient peanut butter cookies became their new family tradition.